Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a website on Wix step by step. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your browser and search here wix.com, and now you will directly jump into Wix official website. Now click on get started, and now you can continue with Google or you can continue with Facebook. So I'm going to creating a new account using my email. So enter your email address here and retype your email again here and give here the password and retype password and click on sign up. Now click on get started. What kind of website are you creating? Select a topic from here. I'm going to selecting portfolio and click on next. What would you like to call your website? Enter your website name here and next. What are your goals for this website? Select topics and click on next. What do you want to add to your website? Select any of them, or you can select multiple options and you will get here more option. Now click on next. Have you created a website before? This is my first time. And now you can create a website using Wix API, or you can create a website using template, and I'm going to selecting this one, choose a template, because it will be easier for beginner. Now pick the website template you love. You can see more template from this list, but right now I'm going to selecting this one, so I'm going to clicking on edit. And now you will jump into Wix editor. And now you will be able to edit anything from your website. I want to open my home page, so I'm clicking on these menus and pages, site menu, and clicking on home. And here you can see right now I'm in my home page, and if you want to go to the about page, then again you have to go to menus and pages and select site menu, and from here you have to select that page you want to see. To change your text, select the text and click on edit text, and now you can edit your text from here. Or you can change the alignment from this list. You can change the effect. You can change fonts from here, font styles, and if you want to change the strip background, then select the strip and click on change strip background, and now you can select any image, or you can upload image from your computer by clicking image, as you can see. So after finishing your editing, click on publish, and now you can connect your own branded domain by clicking here. Now click on view site, and here you can see my website is showing up here. So this is how we can create a free website on Wix. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.